back to my channel. Right now we're going to be making our breakfast meal prep for the week. We're going to have ham and egg cups. I'm going to make them in a muffin tin. We're going to use some sliced deli meat, some ham, eggs, spinach, and shredded cheddar cheese. So this is a really easy, healthy meal prep that we're gonna have for this week. Check the description box. I'll put the recipe in there for you. So for this, we're going to bake them in the muffin tin pan, like I said. I have the oven heating to 400 degrees. So we will put these in the pan and then we'll cook them in the oven. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is grease the muffin tin. So we're gonna have 12. So I'm going to spray 12 little muffin tins, and then I will add the ham into each cup. All right, so the ham is in each cup, and now I'm gonna put a couple of pieces of spinach in each muffin tin cup. I have 12 eggs. I'm going to crack an egg into each cup. I'm going to sprinkle on some shredded cheddar cheese onto the top of each egg cup. I'm going to add some cracked black pepper to the top of each egg, just a little bit. All right, so the ham egg cups are ready to go. I'm going to put them in the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes at 400 degrees. All right, the ham and egg cups are done. I've let them cool, so they are here in the muffin tin. And I'm going to portion them out into our breakfast containers so that we're all ready for our breakfast for the week. So I'm just gonna take 2 out, and they come out really easily. So I'm gonna pop it out and put 2 in each container. So our ham and egg cups are portioned out into our breakfast meal prep containers. So we are ready for the week. This is super healthy, easy recipe that we'll all have for breakfast this week. So I will keep them in the fridge, and then I'll heat them up in the microwave when we're ready to eat them. So check the description box for the recipe for this, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and check out my other videos on breakfast and lunch meal prepping. I hope that you have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.